Okay, here is the full furnace. It is currently not running. This is the bleed valve where I bled some air out, and the nozzle presumably is in there somewhere. That's a reset valve. Here's the pressure gauge. You can see the pressure is at 25 psi. The temperature is at about 215 or 210 somewhere. Now the water comes through here. This pipe is fairly hot. Comes up here. There's the air scoop. This is at about 15 or 20 psi. I pumped it up and measured it. This part is warmish. It's probably could just be radiant from here, but this is all cool. You have all the outlets here to the different areas. All those valves are appropriately on. They go out and then they come back in. These are the returns coming in through here, a couple of them over here. All those return valves are on. All of these switches for the thermostat are on. And then they drain into this pipe. And there is one of the circulators. And then the other circulator is here. And this receives water from these other return valves. Basically two. One, two. So none of these, any of these returns have changed temperature. And that's where we are. This is the oil filter I changed yesterday, which presumably was done correctly. And there is the oil level way up at the top. So if I missed anything, let me know. The furnace is not currently running, but I can hear these circulators running. And the circulator is warm on the back there. Not as warm here. It sounds like it's running though. So that's it. Let me know if you need something different. Thanks.